If you want to never miss a contract deadline again, Contracko has a solution for you. I have already uploaded 2 documents here, and just to demonstrate, I will upload another one, a SaaS implementation agreement. This is as simple as drag and dropping it, or you can email them in, use our Zapier integration, or our API. Whilst this one is processing and AI is going to prepare, we can go into one of these contracts I had already created. Here I have created a master subscription agreement for the hypothetical company Meridian Software. You'll see that what it's done is it's extracted all the metadata automatically, including the contract type and custom fields. So it has matched it to a software as a service master service agreement or master subscription agreement with custom fields like payment term, uptime, and support here. Now you can learn more about this in the contract repository, but what I care about here is the tracking of the contract. So most contracts have a start date, an end date, or they're open-ended. Our AI is able to automatically identify that from the source document. So here you'll see it is identified a start and an end date, but it is also identified that the contract is auto-renewing, that it has a notice period, and what the renewal cycle is. What our system then does is whenever this date comes up, in this case the contract is auto-renewing, so it's going to extend the date, and it's also going to shift all related contract events forward to match that new renewal cycle. So here you'll see which events have been extracted from the contract. Coming up in the next 30 days is the contract deadline to give notice. You'll see that there's also an annual fee payment that needs to be paid that's coming up later. And there's also an undated event that is an obligation, like an event. In this case, we have to complete the implementation and onboarding, but that is not dated specifically. So you would look further in the contract for terms. Now, related to all of these events are notifications. Our system automatically sets and suggests staggered notifications for each event. In this case, the notice deadline is coming up in 28 days. But you'll see that 1 week before, a notification is scheduled to be sent, in this case, to myself. If an event is further out, like let's say this annual fee payment, what you can do is you can assign these to teammates or to yourself and set them further into the future. So I just went to the contract editor and went to edit event. You'll see here, this event, just like the contract, is renewing every year. And you can add a notification. So here, the first one by default will be 7 days before. Let's do one that is maybe 2 weeks before. And then we'll add a last one that is maybe 1 quarter out. This is already, it actually flags, okay, well this date has already happened, so this is not going to send. So we're going to keep it like this. Okay, so basically 1 week before and 2 weeks before. We're going to save this. And actually, for simplicity's sake, let's do it like this. So it'll show you what date it's going to send. So the first one's going to send on August 18th and the other one on August 26th. We're going to save it. And then we'll save this contract. And then you'll see here, the annual fee payment will get these staggered reminders. Now, one thing I forgot to cover here, which is good to discuss, is that for these notifications, you can also select team members. Like, let's say, Taylor. Taylor might get one coming up 2 weeks from now. I might get one coming up 1 week from the event. And here's a description that they're going to get related to the event so that they can get custom context that matters. So here's the foundation of how tracking contracts works in Contracko. Another cool tip is that you could talk to Clara AI to talk to her to set up notifications and identify events. It's very seamless and it will make sure you never miss a key contract deadline again. I am excited to see what you do with this, and if you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to reach out. You can start your demo for free on contracko.com.